Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is an Aleana Hand. So I thought I would take the plunge and order it. Yes, it was expensive. I did have some fees to pay once it got into the UK. I will put it on the screen, but I think it was 56 something, so nearly £57. I did get this in the sale. That's why it's taken a while to come. So I thought I would open it on camera with you guys. So let's have a look, because I do have other hands, but I think I'm just very fussy. Sorry if that was really loud. If it's really loud, I will mute it out. So yes, I do have some other hands, but I'm not 100% satisfied with them, shall we say. I'm just too fussy, I think. So I thought I would invest in this. So let's have a look. So we have all these peanut things. So we have a practice finger, the practice thumb, we have, if I can get it out, the coconut. Oh, let me move these. These are going to annoy me. Oops. I am still here. So this will be the stand. And then this is the hand itself, which I just can't get out. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. So let's just, you can see how messy my table is. So that's what I ordered. I didn't order the tile, because I do have this tile, which is what I normally have my flexi finger on. So I'm hoping it will be okay with that. So let's have a look. Let's get the stand out first, shall we? I've been waiting very patiently for this to come. It's taken ages. So I know a lot of you have already seen it. So it extends, and then you have your suction cup. So let's put the suction cup on now. Which way do I want it? I don't know. Which way? You don't know. I'll just have it that way. So that's just. Oh my. Hang on. Oh! Wow, I nearly lost my nail. Right, so it's on there. So let's just put this on. So this is the magnetic bit. Do I have to have that bit as well on there? So we don't need it that high, do we? So let's just move some of this junk out of the way. I have too much stuff on my table. I've done so much recording that it's kind of all. So the camera will most definitely have to be adjusted. I've got stuff everywhere. Right, so let's have a look at the finger first. This is why everyone's here. So I like the packaging. It's cute. Doesn't say. After choosing the right size tip, spray for the nails. Spray a little water on the back of the tip. Oh, both the gliding. Oh, I didn't know that. It just says about putting some water down inside it, which I didn't know. Oh, now look at that. Immediately, I really, really like it. And obviously, it's not posable, but it is magnetic. That is strong. Very, very strong. Look at the colouring on that. It's well freaky. Really, really freaky. It's like I've cut my own finger off. Right, so that's the first one. So let's stick it back in there. And then we also have the thumb, and it says exactly the same. Let's have a look at the thumb. Oh, it looks really funny. So this is the thumb. Oh. But look at the detail. That is like really, really freaky. Can you see that like line in there, which is like a vein? I mean, look. That is proper freaky. Really, really freaky. I'm liking it so far. So let's have a look at the hand. It doesn't say what colour. Whoa, that's very close. It just has some, like, I'll just leave it there just so you can see what it says. And then this side as well. You can pause it if you want. And again, it says spray. Spray a little water in between the tips and the silicone for better glide and an easy removal. So, this is what she looks like. Wow. So, that's the collection I got. And this. Oh, she's well weird. It's like a diddy hand like mine. Wow, look at that. Look at the veins. Wow. It's even got the little hole bits to put it on a stand. Wow. Look at that. Wow. So my main thing is cuticles on my other hands. And these cuticles are good. Really, really good. I am really happy. Really, 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 really happy. But this is what she looks like. And that tile is holding firm. Oops. When I put it right down, it will come up. But that might be because it's very low. Let's see. Yeah, it comes up a little bit, but that's not too bad. She's really, really pretty. But what do you guys think? What do you think? I'm not sure about this toe, you know. I may need a heavier tile, I'm thinking. Because that is us moving a fair bit. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So, it come with tips already in. Look at the nail bed colours. How nice are they? Let me see. Let's just quickly stick one of these in. What size is that? That's a 5. I can find a 5 in a clear. That's a 6. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. So let's have a look. But they go quite far back. Yeah, really far back. But how nice does that look with a clear tip? Really, really nice. I may need to buy some longer tips. I may need to. So that's them tips. So what design are we going to do on it first, guys? Any suggestions what you would like to see done on it first? I can't find any. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I managed to find some nails that will fit. So this is an old design that I did before. The ring is a little bit big, so I may have to sort through the rings, but I just wanted you to be able to see, and I wanted to see what the cuticles look like. The cuticles look really, really good. I like that, because that's what I was most sort of picky about with the other ones. If you want to see a video of my other hands, let me know. But yeah, so that's the hand with nails in. This is the thumb. So let's take her off. So this is the thumb with a nail in it. So I wonder how. So that's let me just hold it like this. So that is what it would look like with a nail in it, the thumb. And then this is what the finger looks like with a nail in it. Looks really, really good. They just look really weird together, don't they? So yeah, there you have it. That is my new hand. So let me know your thoughts down below, and we will try and get it in the right place. And yeah, we will do a design using this. This ring is definitely too big. It is an adjustable one. Let me see if I can adjust it so it's a bit. That finger's going to be. Oh, I don't know. I could mess about with it for hours, so let's just leave it like that. Otherwise, it's far too much faffing. And then these are the other two, which you cannot see. So there you go. This is my new hand. So, yeah, let me know down below what you think. I really like it. I do really like it. I do really like the cuticles on it, because that's what I was most picky about with my other ones. So, yeah, anyway, let me know your thoughts down below, what you think about these. Or this, shall I say. And, yeah, I will do a design. I will do a design on this one, and I will probably use these ones actually for the She Modern stuff and that, and swatching maybe. Anyway, yeah, I've rambled on for long enough, so let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, let me know if you want to see a particular design done on this, and yeah, we can sort something out. Well, thank everybody so much for watching today. Let me know if you do want to see a video of my other hands, and I can do that. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, just leave me a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Well, thank everybody so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye.